As Texas braces for Beryl, Virginia's Red Cross is ready to help.
8 News reporter Sarah Molina joins us live in the Digital Center with more on what is planned. Sarah.
Tomorrow morning, 2 volunteers from Virginia's Red Cross will start their journey across the country, bringing supplies and support to the people of San Antonio ahead of the storm.
These are your neighbors from right here in Richmond who just have a passion for service.
And service is necessary right now as Texas braces itself for the days ahead. That's why the Red Cross of Virginia organized this.
Once the storm is passed, doing a damage assessment of these communities, then going door to door with relief supplies, rakes, shovels, gloves, the types of things that people will need when they're doing a cleanup of their home.
The volunteers will pick up supplies along the way through the Red Cross's disaster relief workhouses, which are strategically placed across the country.
Pick up things like blankets, cots, the types of things if you're going to be serving meals to thousands of people, in addition to logistics equipment and other items that may be needed by the people of Texas. Again, this is just one vehicle in our system.
But McNamara says hundreds will pour into Texas along with this one. The Red Cross of Texas is experienced with dealing with disasters, but with the magnitude of Beryl, they'll need extra help.
It has been a very busy disaster season for the people of Texas. And what I can tell you from past experience is these events can be incredibly disruptive to these communities.
The volunteers will be in San Antonio for a few weeks, not only delivering food and supplies to neighborhoods, but also providing emotional and mental support for those affected by the hurricane. Now, if you want to make a donation to support the Red Cross's efforts, visit redcross.org. The volunteers will be taking off tomorrow morning around 8 a.m. Live in the Digital Center, Sarah Molina, 8 News.